Otis Lexan. These will be the elevators at the Sheraton Crescent Hotel here off I-17 in Phoenix. Beautiful Otis Lexan elevators, but it is so crowded. Oh, we're gonna get so many people on board now.
Alright, going up. Get my card. Okay.
I had to let them go because we're going to a restricted floor, so I had to let them. We're gonna get off at 3. I love these Otis Lux. And when I got on these earlier today, it was so packed. I had no space to move inside the elevator. We're gonna get off here.